Let's take a look at these examples. We have 60 degrees. We have to convert this to radians. Again, we are going to use this formula. Radians are equal pi over 180 degrees times 60 degrees. Remember, we can convert this always to fraction. Degree and degree will cancel out. 180 and 60, both of them are divisible by 60. That's why I'm going to reduce these two fractions. And I'm going to have pi over 180 divided by 60 is 3. 60 divided by 60 is 1 over 1. Pi times 1 is pi over 3 times 1 is 3 radians. This is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at this one. I have radians equals, again, pi over 180 degrees. This time I have to multiply pi over 180 by 90 degrees. Degrees and degrees will cancel out. 180 and 90, both of them are divisible by 90. That's why I'm going to have pi over 180 divided by 90 is 2. And remember, this could be a fraction. 90 divided by 90 is 1. Copy down 1. Anytime you multiply fractions, multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by the denominator. That's why you will have pi over 2 radians. This is the solution to this problem. Let's take a look at the third example. I have radians equals pi over 180 degrees times 180. Remember, whole number can be converted to fraction over 1. Degree and degree will cancel out. 180 is divisible by 180, so that's why I'm going to divide this by 180 and divide this by 180. That's why you are going to have pi over 1 times 1 over 1. Anytime you multiply fractions, you have to multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. That's why you'll have pi over 1. Pi divided by 1 is simply pi radians. This is the solution to this problem.